Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. If you don't know my name is Matthew. So let's get started. Let's crumble the Rubik's Cube. Okay, we have scrambled the Rubik's Cube. First of all, we need to learn the opposite colors. The opposite of blue is green, opposite of orange is red. So we have a white, orange, blue, the white piece. So we need to find another piece. It's right here. So we need to join like this: white, blue, just like this, automatically. Now we have another piece just right here, over here, and the white piece is facing on top. So just face it this side and use this algorithm. Repeat it 4 times. Okay, just like this, and the last piece is over just right here, facing on top again. Now repeat this 4 times again. The same algorithm. Okay, now we have solved the white layer. Now we will go to the yellow layer. So you can see the yellow is on top, side and all. Don't matter about that. Just see if all the corners are matching first. See all the colors are matching. This is matching. This is not. This is not matching. This is not matching. Oh yeah, this is matching. So we need 4 or 1 to match it correctly. Then I'll show the algorithm how it is. So first of all, if it does not work, I'll show this algorithm. So let's see now. This piece is correct. This piece is correct. This piece is not correct. This piece is correct. This is not. Let's read it all again. But it has to repeat 4 times. Let's see if it is all correct. This piece is correct. This also piece is correct. If we have something like this, use this algorithm which I'm showing. Hold it like this. Okay, now let's see if the piece is matching. This piece is matching. This is not. This is not. And this is not. Before I told is 401 can it can be matched, so it become correct. So here 1 piece. So use this algorithm before which I did, just like this. Now see if all these are matched. Still not. Again, away with the algorithm. Now see, yes, all are matching. Now face the yellow at the bottom, which is unsolved. Just like this, and use this algorithm. Just hold it like this. The before which I have taught you all. We have matched it. So do not turn this Rubik's Cube to the right side. Stay how your position was, and just turn the bottom layer and use this algorithm again. So let's see, shoot it again. Now turn the top 2 times. So here we go, we solved the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, and subscribe for more and like.